First thing I'm going to do is take these lovely curtains down. I'm going to put those thermal mats in the windows, you know, like to save a bit of space, stop this kind of flapping about, and I really don't like the pink. So let's do that first. First thing I'm going to do is take out those curtains, take out that chair, and then I'm going to remove that rubber off of there, which has kind of stuck itself there like tar, and clean everything up, and hopefully we can look towards putting everything back. I'm also going to recover all of these. This is just a kind of little area hidden up. I've somehow got to take that. Oh yeah, there's the bolt there. Take that seat belt off so that I can recover all of this. So yeah, I'll try and get that done as well. I'm just about to take the driver's seat chair out, so I'm going to just show you how to do that quickly in case you want to know. I've taken them out so that it leaves the slider plate on, you know, the one that sort of slides it back and forth and swivels it round. Does that slide it back and forth? Or just swivel it round? I don't know. Anyway, let me show you quick. So you literally just use the lever to swivel the chair round, and then you'll see these, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like screws here, at the front here, and sort of tucked behind a little bit. There's about 5 or 6. So you just literally undo those, and same with the other side. The chair swivels back around this way. Same with the other side, and then pull the chair up and out. It's quite easy. So yeah, I'll show you when I've got it out. So this is one of the chairs I've already taken out, the passenger side. I'll just show you the underneath so you can see it's quite simple to take them out. So as you can see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws on one side, and it's exactly the same the other side, except for I've lost one of the screws. But you literally just have to get your like your spanner thing around it and undo the nut, and pull the chair. Once they're all done like that, you just pull the chair up and out. I've just realised that Rob has painted the footwell from the last video. It looks really smart. Good job, Rob. I've just taken the curtains down and the other seat out, and I've finished getting that tar-like substance off of the floor. So I'll just show you. So yeah, I've taken all that curtain and its rail down. The chairs are now both out, and I've cleaned them up a bit, but I will do it more thoroughly soon. And this is like the driver's side floor. So I'm going to have a go at this with a wire brush now, because now I think it was like a rubber mat or something, and it's gotten stuck and it's turned into sort of tar, and so I've just had to get all that up, which was rather time consuming. But now we can see how bad the damage is, if it's too bad, and so I'm just going to wire brush it and paint it over, and then I'll show you again. So we literally just sanded this back and got rid of any rust. There was only really surface rust anyway, and Rob's just putting the rust converter on where we sanded it back. It's actually not too bad under the accelerator a bit, but other than that there really wasn't a lot to worry about. And we're just going to fill a couple of holes with some fiberglass, and that's it, I think. So Rob has fiberglassed up the holes in the floor of the van, and I just need to go over it with the grey paint, and it's done. Rob's just, I won't show you because he's done his own little video, so I'll show you the process of what he did to the door. But yeah, that'll be enough for today because it's really cold. Oh, hasn't turned out very nice. So I've just finished the driver's side floor. This is just to prevent any further rust. And I think we're all done now, so I'll just wait for it to dry and then cover all the front back up. Well, the floor. I think the floor is all done, more or less. Protected and had the rock cut out where it needs to be done. So yeah, I think the floor is done.
Right, good evening guys. Right, this is the follow-on to my step repair yesterday. As I was saying, the door needs some repair work. This is the driver's cab door in question. It's actually not in bad nick. It's pretty good really. The only bit that's not in good nick is there. So this is what I've got to come up with something and repair. It's obviously just where the moisture and the water runs down inside the door, collects in the bottom here, and yeah, rots it away from the inside. What I'll do is start shaping some metal and do the best we can to repair it and try and stop it coming back. Maybe we could put, it's got a drain hole there I suppose. It's got drain holes, isn't it? But yeah, maybe we'll put some wax in it or something. We'll come up with something. It's quite late tonight, so this might be a few days, this one. Right, that's the inner door panel off, and we'll try and work out what to do from here, I suppose. I think what I'll do first is tidy it up, see how bad the rust is, what bits I should cut out, because I don't want to cut too much off, because obviously I've still got to keep the shape of it somehow. I mean, you could easily just, if you cut away too much, then you've got no hope of like trying to retrace it really. But right, yeah, I looked inside, but it doesn't really look any different. Anyway, I'll set it up a bit closer and then let's start grinding and wire brushing and see what we're left with. Right, that'll do for this evening's work. I'll show you where I'm at. I just apologise, it's night time and the light is not good at all, but see how's I got. So that's the bit I've welded in there, and you know, covered up the cuts as well. I'll see what I'll probably do is put a little zinc spray over this tonight, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll cut some more bits to do this shape. Still figuring out how to do the bit inside there as well, because it's rusted through the bottom there. But we'll work our way down. That's not too bad. I mean, some people might find my welding quite offensive, but it's not bad for an amateur. Right. Till next time. Ta-ra. Evening. Right, this is what we've done so far with the door repair. So this evening I'll be mainly working on this corner here. So we've done the holes, replaced this corner bit, and then I had to replace, you might have seen, I had to replace this top bit as well, because little did I know how rusted it was through the back. But it's not too bad. I mean, there's a few, I'm going to fill the rest anyway. This bit we did yesterday, there's a little bit of filler in there just to plug some of the holes, because it was really hard to build, especially down here. But the shape's not bad. I'm pretty happy with the shape. We'll get some filler, Bondo, and tidy it up, paint it, and I'll paint inside here as well, and probably put some wax down inside it and get all rid of the rust inside it. So hopefully, yeah, come tomorrow I should be more or less done. Right, day whatever it is, and it's daylight for once. This is how I am on the door. As you can see, I've done a bit of fitting. I've put some rust convert on it just in case there's any little specks of it I've missed. And then what I'm going to do is I'm now going to paint that a bit white primer. I've got a bit of paint left over. Tied up it, and then I've got some anchor wax that I'm going to put inside the door, and then hopefully we'll be more or less done with it. Until I get the other door off and have a look at that, which I expect to have the same kind of issues. But it's alright. I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna worry about it too much. It hasn't got to be too pretty, because you got the door panel down here, and then you go a rubber seal, go all the way around here, so you're never really gonna see it. So that'll do. Right, this has just got primer on it because I haven't actually got any pastel white, but that is it with a bit of paint on it. But once we get the once I get my top coat, then I will finish it off which I'll order tonight. But that'll do, that'll last a little while. I've just got to spray the wax on the inside of it, which I shall do now.